guys, Wolf Girl here, and today I'm here with a box that I already started opening because it was a pain in the neck and there's also some stuff on this side. But anyways, today I'm here, yes, with another eBay package and another doll. I was not going to buy any more dolls. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but for my Christmas haul, I got a $25 gift card. I don't know if any of you guys remember. But it was to Amazon. And I was going to save it for maybe a bigger doll that went on sale sometimes, because I don't know if you know, but sometimes, you know, like the Baby Go Bye-Byes and some dolls go on sale on Amazon. For example, the Baby Go Bye-Bye, she's always on sale, like for 30 bucks on Amazon. Well, not all the time, but you know what I mean. But my mom, literally the day after Christmas, found this doll on eBay, and she was just enough money. I'm like, here, take my gift card. She's mine. So, I've been wanting this doll for a little bit, and can you guys guess which one it is? What? Oh, hold on. Okay. Now, can you guess which one it is? Yep, it's an older, new in box doll. Oh, it's upside down. Hold on. Oh, geez. Oh, I have something in here. Okay, then. Anyways, can you guys see which doll it is? Yep, this is the Brushy doll. Now, can you guess which one I got? Go on, anyone. Take a guess. Take a guess. Yep, I got the African American one. I've been wanting this doll for like 9,000 years. And I finally got her. So, congratulations to me. And now I'm just going to tear her open because I can't wait any longer. So. Oh. And. Oh, her toothbrush moves a little bit. That was only with the dress and slumber. Also, guys, if you notice that I sound like an idiot, it's because I didn't eat anything today. As usual. So. Ah, jeez. Why must they tape their dolls so much? Ah, jeez. Okay. No. Okay. Ooh, her hair is so soft. That won't last long. Okay. Let's see. I bet this is taped in. Yep. Wow. I know everything. And you're taped in. Oh, that was easy. Wait, something doesn't make sense here. Something really doesn't make sense here. It's an older doll, as you can tell. Yeah, this is an older doll. Why does it come with a 2017 diaper? Someone please explain this to me. Why? Why? Maybe that means they're bringing them back to stores. I don't know. I don't care to find out right now. Okay, so she comes with this little sippy cup. My mom is staring at me. Hi. That's squishy. She also has this, hold on, if I can even get it out. This, okay. This, hold on. Wow, I'm smart. All I have to do is just cut the ties or whatever. Ugh. I know, I'm trying to fight with this stupid box. And this video is already 5 minutes long. Okay. So, Comes with this toothbrush that's attached to her PJs, and it moves a little bit. When you press it. Okay, we're just gonna leave that there. Ow! I'm good. She also comes with this toothpaste that's squishy, just like Serenity's, or the baby's new teeth dolls. Oh, it's kind of like milky, like real toothpaste. It looks cool. She also comes with a Baby Live diaper, which is good, and obviously the doll herself. So let me just dig her out real quick. Oh, she's really tied in. I feel like Hasbro is getting slowly more and more paranoid with their packaging because, I mean, this packaging is a lot stronger than other dolls. Well, like, in a way they're trying to make it more secure, but not as secure at the same time. Because this is taking me longer than some other dolls. And, with some other dolls, okay, I just killed her. With the newer dolls, they put mostly those plasticky things. They put them everywhere. Mostly just those weird plasticky ties that I can basically rip with my hands. And I can just take the doll out with my hands by myself. Like, I remember when I got Bailey, I got her out of the box without scissors, with my own hands, in 3 minutes. Like, you guys watched me, I did an unboxing video. That is, if you remember, you can always go back and look. But, freak her face. But this is taking me a little bit. And, yeah, but with the newer dolls, it results in more trash, if you know what I mean. Okay, so here she is. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I don't know how old I want her to be, but I have a good idea in mind. No name or age suggestions in the comments because I already know. I already have a name for her. And, oh my god, she's so cute. Oh, I love her hair. Oh, it kind of wants to stick up a little bit. That's okay, I'll fix it. Thanks for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And down in the comments below, let me know. What do you think? I'm not going to say her name yet because I'm not fully sure that's going to be her name, but I have a good idea in mind. I'm trying to decide between 2 names, and I've leaned really far to one name already, but we'll see. So yeah. By the time I upload this video, I might put her name and age in the description. So yeah. Bye. Hey guys, Wolf Girl here, and I'm here with Doc and Budgie.
This is my crotch. No.
Okay then. I'm here with Doc's crotch and Budgie, and
No.
Okay. While she's doing that, and I'm also here with Ari, and I'm doing her first feeding, so I'm feeding her pineapple food. It's kind of foamy, but oh well. I already gave her a bite, and okay. And also I just have plain water in this juice box. And yes, I'm feeding her in a Baby Live diaper because I'm stupid and bold at the same time, so let's just do that. And I didn't give her a bib. I wonder how stupid I am.
Budgie has hiccups.
It's really glitchy and poor connection. Okay, she's clogged already. Ah! I just smelled that everywhere. Or is it because the diaper is on too tight? Nope. Yeah, I clogged my doll on the first. Wow, on my first feeding. One second. I'm gonna grab Katrina's bottle. Oh, this juice box holds about as much as a Baby Live bottle does. Go figure. Oh my god, Doc. Did she seriously? Wait, did she even have anything? I don't know. Okay, whatever I did, it unclogged her, or whatever. So, let's try to not get any foam. Or maybe she's just like Shia. Oh god, I hope she's not. Okay, she's not. She ate that. I hope I don't get copyrighted for whatever that TV is doing in the background, so I'm just gonna talk. So, what's up, guys? I don't know.
Stop!
Budgie is being an idiot. I don't know about you. Hey, how was your day? It was pretty good for me. I went shopping and I'm just trying to talk over Doc's stupid TV that keeps talking and probably will copyright me.
My TV is smarter than you.
Yeah, right. Ask you what 1 + 1 is. I bet it won't say. Yeah. Oh, here comes my mom. Hi. How's it going? Just feeding Ari. No big deal. Duh. And now my mom thinks that Ari is one of those dolls that can't eat. Okay, then.
Oh.
Okay, Doc went on mute, which is good because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oops.
Shoot! Should not have said that out loud. Oh, God. The face you made, though, was priceless. And this is dripping everywhere, and she's making a huge mess. Wonder if her diaper has leaked yet. I don't know. Let's see. Nope, her diaper has not leaked yet. Surprise, surprise.
Roger, are you peeing? No, don't start peeing. Be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I heard an echo. Well, now that we have the rest of the video, or a while of the video to ourselves, I can just be silent because I don't hear any TV in the background, so. Yeah, she must have paused it. Because she's watching some kind of movie or something. On demand. No, I still hear something, so I'm going to keep talking. Okay, I don't even know what I was saying. I'm speaking in gibberish. Yay. Me. Good for me. Yeah. Okay. And just pretend you don't hear that. That does not exist. The TV in the background is not there. What even is a TV? Does she even have a TV? Oh my god. Okay. Ari is almost finished with her food. And I would say 2 more bites now. Yep. 1 more bite. And final bite. Here we go. Okay. Done. Now, she can finish her water. Is her diaper leaking yet? Yes, it is. Wow. Got another rag here. Okay, now we can open it. Oh, wow, it's a gorgeous diaper right there. It was already kind of blue stained to begin with, so that's why it looks kind of green. Oh, ew, it's slimy. Oh, gross. Ew. Okay, well, that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to go clean up Ari now. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications and down in the comments below. Let me know if you like pineapples. We'll see you guys later. Bye.